Welcome back everyone, I'm Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll walk through how to install Node.js on Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. To install Node.js on Windows, let's go ahead and download the installer from the web. Let me open Google Chrome here. Let's search for Node.js. Let's go to nodejs.org. and click on the download button on the LTS option. So the current latest version is 14.17.3. Let's go ahead and click on it. Our download is now started. Our download is now complete. Let's click on the installer. Let me minimize this window. Let's click on next. Accept the agreement. Click on next, next, next. This is optional if you want to install Chocolatey, but to the limitation of this video, I'll be only installing Node.js. So let's click on next and install. The installation might take some time, so I'll skip the video and meet you guys once the installation is complete. Our installation is now complete. Let's go ahead and click on finish. Let's open up any of our terminal. I'll open PowerShell here. Let's check our Node.js version. Okay, it was not -v, I guess it is v. Yes, so yeah, it is 14.17.3 which we just installed. And let's check the npm version as well. npm is installed too. That is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable suggestions and thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.